Did you know that you can plan and manage meter replacements in a structured and efficient way? With the Meter Replacement Planner, you can create and manage replacement plans based on criteria such as return on investment, monetary losses, and volume losses. Xylem Vue helps you identify which meters should be replaced first by considering factors such as age, losses, consumption, and return on investment. Plans are organized into tasks and subtasks, with meters automatically distributed by priority and location. This makes it easy to track progress, manage budgets, and monitor execution step by step. Discover how Xylem Vue helps you optimize meter renewal